Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide active now activity status on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, if we want to hide our activity status on Instagram, we need to go to the Instagram setting, go to your profile, and then you can click on the three lines on the top right, and you have to go to the messages and story replies right here. And if you want to hide your online status, you can go to the show activity status and you can turn it up right here. As you can see, I have turned off my activity status, so when I'm online, my followers will not know. Alright guys, so that's all the way to hide active now activity status on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!